same material. Some ones lock where they all intersect, and that's how they lock theirs together. Ours is twined with the same material, all one material.
When you're getting the materials to make something like that, are you actually looking for thin sticks, or do you cut those down out of a larger piece?
Yeah, so you see some of these are pretty large, and these aren't even the largest. You've seen kind of fingertips like that, where you can do a lot of splicing. So you'll get two, these would be all the flat pieces, and then you use the half rounds from the outside to do all the twining. So that way you use the entire rootlet of the EE vine, the whole real vine. Section and the Ki'iapua blue feather gods that they have in their collection.